How to report someone on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to report someone on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into the particular account. Using the search icon at bottom left corner of the screen, search for the account that you want to report on Instagram. Once you have located or find out that particular account, tap the three dots at top right corner of the screen. From this menu box, select Report option. And here you need to select the reason why you want to report this account. Once you have chosen, again select the reason for reporting this account. And once you do that, you need to take other steps instead of reporting as well. You can block, restrict, unfollow, or mute this particular account. And after that, you will successfully report someone on Instagram. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.